Hello, my name is Ikaika Tadaki and welcome to this introduction to iCash. iCash is a custom dashboard that enhances the RMS by automatically tracking cash flow. iCash features dashboard color changes that notify the cashier when they are approaching the preset cash thresholds. It never interrupts the transaction flow. It also reduces security risks, has the ability to set different AM and PM cash thresholds, minimizes cash over and under, and includes a custom audit report that ensures proper cash management. The iCash dashboard is located on the top of the POS screen. It keeps track of the transaction count, average transactions, drop status, cash drops, the date and time of the last drop, and a transaction count for the previous hour. One of the key features of iCash is the running total under the drop status. This keeps track of the money in the register and notifies the cashier when they are approaching the preset cash thresholds. The drop status is green when the cash total is under the preset threshold. In this example, the threshold is set to $200. The drop status will turn yellow when the running total is close to the approaching cash threshold. At this point, the cashier should consider performing a cash drop. When the color changes to red, the cash in the register has reached the preset threshold limit. At this point, the cashier should perform a cash drop. Since the total has gone over $200, the status bar has turned red. When the cash threshold has been greatly exceeded, the entire column header will begin to flash red. The column header will continue flashing while the total greatly exceeds the threshold. This way, the cashier will definitely notice the change in the screen. While it doesn't interrupt the transaction process, the flashing will continue until it is properly dealt with. There are several different ways to lower your cash total. Say, for example, a customer brings in an item that they want to return. When you process their return and give them their refund, the cash total automatically reflects how much money is taken out of your register. Another way of lowering the cash total is by performing a cash drop. In this example, we will perform a cash drop for $150 so that the total amount will be under $200. Once the total is brought below the threshold limit, the drop status color will return to green. iCash keeps track of all transactions in an audit report. The audit report keeps track of any and all transactions, including transactions that have been aborted, canceled, X and Z reports, and more. Here is a quick review of iCash. Color changes notify the cashier of approaching cash thresholds. Green is for normal cash amounts. It changes to yellow when the total nears the preset limit, red when the threshold is reached, and flashing red when the total greatly exceeds the threshold. Also, the iCash dashboard is always on the screen and never interrupts the transaction flow. And now we move on to another great feature of iCash, the audit report. Under Custom Reports in the Store Manager, click on the iCash tab to bring up the audit report. You have the option to filter your report by several fields. In this example, we'll filter our report by date. The audit report keeps track of all transactions by batch number. You can look through your report according to the date and time of the transaction, dashboard action, sale amount, running total, and transaction type, as well as several other fields. While looking through the report, you can see the dashboard action for each transaction. You can also see the amount of the sale, as well as the running total in the cash register for each transaction. The audit report also keeps track of the transaction type, such as cash, non-cash, and aborted transactions. The transaction number holds a link to a duplicate receipt. When you double-click the number, the receipt is displayed in Journal Viewer. The audit report is similar to the Journal Viewer application. However, it provides a much more efficient way of viewing transactions without the hassle of using the page up and down feature of Journal Viewer. iCash offers several useful features that enhance the RMS. It always shows a running total on top of the screen, which allows for smooth transaction flow. Cash tracking minimizes security risks. The ability to set custom AM and PM cash thresholds, and an audit trail report which keeps track of transactions and cash drops. There is a free demo of iCash available at the following website. Thank you for watching this iCash introduction.